Hello, I'm Mark Grace, and I teach how to experidigm. Today, I'm at another Terme in Italy. I'm actually at Fiuggi. Yeah, the water people, and so I'm here at the Terme, and it's huge. We happen to be here in October, so it's almost the end of the season, and you're going to see we're the only ones here about. But Fiuggi water, at least the Fiuggi water that's coming out of the ground here, and it comes out of the ground warm. This is warm, so this is my Fiuggi cup. And what you do with this Terme, many things, because the Fiuggi water, one thing is it cleans you internally. Some would say it takes the stones out of your body, your gallbladder, your liver, and things like that, where you have stones or sands or some kind of digestive issue. This works on that, especially the warm Fiuggi water. So as you look behind me is the location, and you can see there's a little fountain over there. That's where you get the Fiuggi water. There's cold Fiuggi water and there's hot Fiuggi water. And so we get the Fiuggi water and we drink it. And you know, now it closes at 12:30 in the afternoon because it's winter time. But you see over here, fountains as well. Because what you're supposed to do here is walk around all day drinking the Fiuggi water. And the Fiuggi water cleans you out. And this is huge. You can see this is built for 1,000 people to walk around here and drink water. And the thing here, though, is just like a lot of thermes in Italy, there's doctors here. So if you look at this whole building over here, this is a facility that has all kinds of doctors that help you with various types of ailments. And just like the therme where I was doing the mud bath, that specialized in mud baths. This doesn't specialize in that, it specializes in Fiuggi water. So this is a way to become healthy. So I'm going to be here for the next 4 hours, drinking water, going to the bathroom a lot, but what an experience. So, you know, let's experience life. That's what it's all about. And people, for, you know, the therme I was in the previous video was started in 1452. So these thermes have been around for a while, curing people of issues that they have. So we're going to sit here all day long, drinking Fiuggi water, which, you know, you're familiar with the Fiuggi bottles in grocery stores. So this is it. This is what the Fiuggi place looks like. And we're only standing in the location that's the physical facility. Up here in this hills, up in these hills is probably about 1,000 yards of a botanical garden with chairs. As you see down here, there's chairs everywhere. But up there, it's botanical garden, and the Fiuggi water's up there too, and you just walk around and drink all day long. So, what a great thing to do. So this is a new experidigm. Many of you have not, you know, when you hear about thermes, you're thinking about it's a place to go sit in hot water and then get a massage. Well, that's true. You saw that with me. You get mud, you sit in hot water, and then you get a massage. But that's not all the thermes. This therme is about drinking Fiuggi water that helps your internals to dissolve bad things and get rid of them. But it's wonderful. And we're here today, and it's only us. This is October, and I think there's 5 people here, and this is built for thousands. It could hold 1,000 people here and 1,000 people up there. And we're the only ones here. And I'm sharing that with you because this is an experidigm. You can go experidigm, not with everybody else and not when everybody else is doing it. You just do the experidigm to make you joyful. That's what it is. And we are so happy today to be here and drink water all day long. And then at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, we're going to go out and experidigm more and find new places in Italy. So, ciao. This is Mark.